All right, I got all my stuff here and we're going to start with a glass bowl. I'm going to dump in 3/4 cup of Parmesan cheese. Then I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of parsley, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, and last but not least, we're going to add about 2 cloves of garlic or about 1.5 teaspoons of the garlic in the jar. And those are the only ingredients. So I know what you're thinking. This is going to be really dry, but it actually turns out perfect. So make sure you just mix all the salt and pepper and the garlic in together with the cheese. Once it's all mixed, you're going to take your air fryer and just pull out the bottom. Now, it's really lightweight. I can really just move it with one hand, which is really nice because some appliances are heavy duty, but this one is light. So I've just pulled it out. Now, because I am doing chicken, I'm just going to leave that rack inside of my air fryer, and I'm going to put my chicken right on top of it. Now to get my chicken ready. So I have about 2 pounds of chicken wings. You can also use drumsticks. You can use chicken breasts. But today I'm going to try the chicken wings. So I patted dry my chicken and then I put it in the cheese mixture and just kind of spread the cheese around. You can see that I'm putting it on top, pushing it on pretty well, just so you can have some Parmesan in each bite. Now, these chicken wings are actually really, really big, so I can only fit 3 in my air fryer, but drumsticks, I can fit about 10 of them in there. Then when you're all done, you're just gonna pop it right in to the air fryer. Now this is the easiest part. You're just gonna push power. Now with the fried chicken, I'm actually gonna go up to 400 degrees and I'm gonna go up to 18 minutes. Then you're gonna push the play button and you can see that little fan twirling. That means you did it right. So you're gonna let your chicken cook for about 9 minutes in your air fryer. Then, so when it hits 9 minutes, I'm going to open it up and flip my chicken. Now you can see it's 9 minutes, so I'm going to go ahead and push pause and open it up. Now opening it up does not affect your cooking time at all. You can check on your chicken like you would check on an oven. You are going to lose a little bit of temperature, but it will heat back up. So now I'm just going to flip my chicken. So it's cooked really well on one side. Now I just want it to fry on the other side. Now when you're done flipping them, you just close it and you go ahead and just push the play button again. It is called a start button, but it looks like a play button, so that's what I'm calling it. All right, when it's all done, you just pull it out and use some tongs to put it onto your serving plate. You might have to wait a few minutes for them to cool because they are really, really hot. Now, my only advice when using the air fryer, I would suggest first spraying it with PAM or non-stick cooking spray because getting the chicken off would be a whole lot easier and cleanup would be a lot easier too. Well guys, there you have it, air fried chicken wings, and it really is as easy as it looks. Thank you so much for joining me today. Now if you want to pick up an Avalon Bay air fryer, I'll leave a link in the description for you.